Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open any editing application. Go to New Project. And add one background photo and 4 other photos. Now select Format 9:16 and adjust the photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Apply text layer till the first photo. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.